I'm Lou Shapiro, and this is my brother Paul Shapiro. For the last year, we've been working to launch Move Mountains, a foundation created by Kyla, an amazing young woman who died from cancer at the young age of 20. Move Mountains is a foundation which at its very essence ensures that no child climbs alone when facing their cancer journey.
We're ready to launch Move Mountains, and we need your help. Let us use 3 minutes of your time to inspire you to help us and Kyla make sure that no child climbs this mountain alone.
Let's first talk about the progress we've made. To start, Move Mountains has established 501c3 status, and we are now an official, certified, nonprofit organization. We have established the brand, the mission, the vision, and the strategic roadmap. We have a committed, growing leadership team. We have a merchandising strategy to help fund the kits and to get the word out. And we have a supply chain and logistics commitment. Special thanks to Antonia and David, too, of DCL Logistics for generously partnering with Move Mountains to handle everything from product receiving to warehousing to distribution of the kits. This is a critical piece of making Move Mountains happen, and we simply couldn't do it without our partners at DCL. The best way to describe all of the elements of Move Mountains is to walk through the strategic roadmap. And it all starts with the child. They're our North Star, and our primary goal is to provide comfort to them as they undergo life-improving, life-extending, and life-saving chemotherapy and radiation. Advocacy was a big part of Kyla's vision, and she was known as the unofficial R&D center for her unit, tirelessly searching for products that brought comfort during her most difficult treatments and then sharing them with so many others. The last piece of her vision was to find a cure. Kyla was a force of nature, and she tirelessly raised hundreds of thousands of dollars to find a cure for cancer. She knew how underfunded childhood cancer was, and she was driven to do something about it. The pathway to Kyla's vision includes 4 important pillars. First, chemo kits. Simply put, Kyla was determined to get these kits to every child going through chemotherapy and radiation so that they could have some comfort and so that they would know that they're not alone. Kyla tried to think of everything when it came to Move Mountains, and she defined 3 other elements as part of the Move Mountains activation. The e-merchandise plan works like this. All profit that comes in as a result of Move Mountains gear will fund the kits, and by wearing the gear, you can show others that no child will climb alone. We're also in the process of building a digital endorsement platform for products that are part of Kyla's chemo kits. We will continue to learn and share, and we will be actively searching for ways to make the kit contents better and better. The last piece of the activation layer is supporting childhood cancer. Move Mountains will select areas of support that will make a difference. We have developed a team of patients, families, and doctors to help determine where help is needed and where we can make a difference. We'll look back at our efforts and measure our success by number of kits distributed, dollars raised, awareness driven, and the growth of our team. So let's talk about the next steps of the Move Mountains ascent. Phase 1 starts now and continues through the first quarter. We will build out the Move Mountains team, build and distribute the kits, and launch the merchandising platform. To have a solid foundation, we have established a fundraising goal of $1 million to fuel the kits and to support finding a cure for childhood cancer. Phase 2 will deliver kits into the hands of the children who need them. To do that, we'll need to raise awareness so that kids with cancer and their families know that they're available and easy to access. Our goal is to deliver a minimum of 1,000 Kyla's chemo kits in 2019.
Thank you for your time, and we hope that you're inspired to help. Our ask is simple.
Number 1. Please click on the button below and donate whatever you can to support our effort of providing comfort, advocacy, and a cure for kids who need our help. Number 2, if you're interested in getting involved, either by staying aware of our progress or even becoming a bigger part of our team, please click on the Count Me In box and we'll make sure that you're kept up to date on all of the progress we're making on this journey.
Kyla inspired thousands of people during her 20 years on this planet, and Move Mountains is going to allow that to continue. I am sure she's looking down at us right now with her big smile. Thank you so much for continuing to be part of this.